Hello everyone, welcome to Byte, Bytes and Wanderlust channel. In this video, we will discuss some of the basic concepts of programming. First, we will discuss about compilation, execution, and then we will move to objective code and bytecode. And we will discuss the differences between the objective code and bytecode. And then we will move to the high level language, low level language. And then we will write a sample of Java program. And then we will go through the translators and translators. What are the translators? How many translators are there? What are the compilers and what are the interpreters? And that's it for this video. Let's go to today's topic. First one, we discuss about the compilation. What is compilation? The process of checking the program constructed according to the rules of a language or not is known as compilation process. The process of checking the program constructed according to the rules of language or not. It is known as the compilation. After the compilation process is successful, the C and C++ program generate bytecode. C, C++ program generates objective code. Java generates bytecode. In later videos, we'll discuss what is the bytecode and what is objective code. And then execution. After program is compiled, then it is executed. The definition of the execution is the process of running the compiled code and checking the required output is generated or not. It is known as execution. The process of running compiled code and checking required output is generated or not. It is known as execution. C and C++ programs, objective code is converted into executable code and then it will generate result. In the Java, the bytecode is loaded by the JVM and it is executed and it will generate the result. We will note the points. C and C++ first generate objective code and then after executing it will generate executable code and then generate result. What is the required output and that all. For Java, it generates bytecode and JVM is involved. It will load the bytecode and it will execute the bytecode and it will give the result. These are the differences in the execution and compilation process for the C and C++ and the Java programs. Okay. Let's move to the next topic. Objective code and bytecode. What is objective code? The compiled code generated from C and C++ programs is known as objective code. The compiled code generated from C, C++ programs is known as objective code. While objective code generation, OS is participated because of the reason code is a platform dependent code. It is platform dependent because OS is involved in it. The disadvantage of objective code is after getting the objective code, we may not run in the other systems like Linux and Mac OS because it is a platform dependent. Disadvantage of the bytecode. The objective code generated from one platform cannot be executed on another platform. It is a disadvantage. And the C and C++ languages which are generating objective codes are platform dependent languages. C and C++ are platform dependent languages. We already seen that one. So platform dependent languages. It's all about the objective code. And let's go to the bytecode. The compiled code generated from Java programs is known as bytecode. The compiled code which is generated from Java programs. It is known as bytecode. First we will compile the program and then we execute it. While bytecode generation, OS is not participated. Because of this reason, bytecode is platform independent. OS is not participated. While bytecode generation. So it is platform independent. In every interview, they will ask what is a platform dependent, what is a platform independent. You need to say why Java is a platform independent because the OS is not participated. So Java is platform independent. And then let's move to the translators. What are translators? Just a second. The language format which is understandable by the users is known as high-level language. There are two types of translators. Translators are used to translate high-level format into low-level language formats. First, we need to know the definitions of high-level language and low-level language. High-level language means the language which is understandable by users. It is known as high-level language. Low-level language means the language which is not understood by users is known as low-level language. In a simple terms, it's a mixed language. First, we will write the definitions of high-level language and low-level language. Language understandable by users. Low level language. Language not understandable by users. Example, mission language. And the high level language examples are C, C++, Java, Python, all the programming languages. Now let's come to translators. Translators are used to translate high level formats to low level formats or low level language formats to high level language formats. The definition is they are used to translate high level language to low level language or low level language to high level language. It is the definition of translator. There are of two types of translators. First one is compiler. Second one is interpreter. These are all the basics of the programming. What is the compiler? Compiler translates the total program at a time. It translates total program at a time. Only once. Total code. Interpreter means line by line. It translates the program line by line. Line by line. These are the two types of translators. And let's deep dive into the Java versions now. Before going to Java versions, once check we will check in the browser what we will get regarding the compilation, execution, objective code, bytecode, translators. We will add some more stuff to it. Compilation, process execution in Java. Let's open the Geeks for Geeks website. Java being a platform independent programming language doesn't work on a one-time, one-step compilation. Instead, it involves a two-step execution. First through OS independent compiler and second in a JVM. I told you know the JVM. It is also involved. First we will first we will write the code and save it with the .java file. And then after compiling, we will get the bytecode. And after getting the bytecode, the JVM loads the bytecode and then it will give the result. It is the components of the JVM, just in term compiler, all the things. It's in depth. Let's go into another website and check. It is the basic Java hello world program. We'll write that one also. JVM loading, bytecode verification, interpreter, JIT compilation. We'll see all these things in the later videos. You can see compilation language .java files. Here .c files. Compilation. It is a command to compile the Java code. Java C code.java. Here it is a file name. For C++, GCC code.c -o code of C. It's for the GCC compiler. And for execution, we need to write a Java and a class name. It's a platform independent. Java is a platform independent. And C and C++ are platform dependent. And that's it. Now we will see the Java versions. Java came into market in the 1995, I think, or 1996, JDK1. JDK1 is 1996, but previously Java Alpha and Java Beta were there. They were in the 1995 year. We'll write the versions. We'll list all the versions. First one, Java Alpha and Beta. It is 1995. The official version JDK 1.0 is released in 1996. And then JDK 1.1 2002. We need not to remember all the versions. We need to remember only few versions. And Java 5 2009. Two 2024 Java Acid 22. We'll write this one. 2024. It's the latest Java version. Here we are having a lot of Java versions and so on. Java 5 is called the Tiger Java because it is the king in the market at that time. And then we will write a sample Java code. Hello world program. First we will use the notepad, and then later we will use the IDEs like Eclipse and IntelliJ. Class hello. The class name should be, first letter should be capital, and we don't write the number starting. It's the rules, and it is the main method. Public static void main of string args, and therefore printing we will use system.out.println of hello world. In the upcoming video, so we will see what is public and what is static and what is a main and all the things. It is a basic hello world program. We will save in the documents. We need to save it .java hello .java, and we need to put the all files and save. It is a hello world program. Then we need to go to terminal. We need to go through documents. I saved in the documents now. Java C. Then we need to give, for the compilation, we need to use Java C file name.java. Here the class name is hello. Hello.java. Documents only more. See, it is not there. Just a second. I will check it again. Yeah, it's right. Okay. Hello Java source file is present. But why I'm getting here? Once again we will save in the downloads. Hello.java. We'll replace it. Let's go to downloads. Java C hello.java. Yeah, something syntax. Here semicolon we need to keep, not colon. It's a typo mistake. And then here we compile the Java code. Then we will get the byte code. I think we can see that one also in the downloads. Let me open the downloads. Hello.class. You can see the hello.class, no? It's a byte code. I'll try to open it. It is a byte code. And then we need to convert into the actual result. We need to generate the result. The JVM does. For execution, the command is Java class name. Java hello. That's it. You can see hello world. This is the compilation and execution of Java programs. And let's see the compilation and execution of Python. In Python, we can print directly using the print function. Print hello world. Controls the save. We'll save in the downloads. The file extension for Python is .py. Now we can execute Python hello.py. We need to use extension also. You can see hello. Oh, we are using the hello one now. Yeah. Hello one. You can see the hello one because the class name is hello one. This is a process for the Python. It's a single line one, and Java we are having the complex one for the hello world. For this execution, you need to have the Java installed on your local machine. I will create a video how to install the Java and set the environment variables, all the things. For checking the version of Java, we can use Java -hyphen version. You can see Java 21. And for Python -hyphen version. Which is missing. Python 3.11.4. And that's it for this today video. Thanks everyone.